When adventure calls, good luck sleeping in. To get out here, you take the back road to the back roads. And secret spots, well, keep those gems to yourself. Seriously, never tell anyone. For all the hunger you have for life, there's finally a portable grill with the versatility to keep up. Keep rolling, keep pushing, keep cranking out big-time meals for big-time adventures. So, whatever off-the-grid good time you've got cooking up next, rest assured the Weber Traveler will follow. Weber Traveler, amazing food wherever you are.